Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best fly traps are probably one of the most effective and humane ways to deal with those pesky insects that invade your home, especially during warmer months, offering a silent yet powerful solution to keep your living spaces comfortable and hygienic without resorting to harsh chemicals or noisy methods, ensuring peace and tranquility are restored to your environment. Number 5. Zevo Flying Insect Traps. This trap uses blue and UV light to attract and catch flying pests. It works continuously, day and night, for everyday indoor control. The disposable glue cartridge traps insects discreetly. A simple tab makes removal and replacement mess-free. Enjoy quiet, effective control without sprays, zaps, or odors. It's a discreet solution for any indoor space. It's a smart, quiet choice for households with children and pets. It works best where flying insects tend to gather. A blinking light reminds you to check the cartridge every 6 weeks. This package includes 2 devices and 4 cartridges. What we like? This plug-in trap offers continuous 24/7 attraction using blue and UV light. Its no-mess disposable cartridge makes disposal simple and hidden. If you are looking for a discreet, quiet, and family-friendly solution for everyday indoor flying pest control, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is very effective at keeping flies away. The design is sleek and modern, and it blends in well with my home decor. It's easy to use and maintain, and the battery life is impressive. Number 4. Zevo Flying Insect Trap Refills. Introducing the official refill cartridges for your Zevo Flying Insect Trap. Designed to seamlessly fit both Zevo Trap and Zevo Max models, these refills ensure continuous protection against flying pests. These refills work with the blue and UV light from your device to lure in gnats, house flies, and fruit flies. Our Trap Plus lock technology then captures them on a hidden adhesive cartridge. Enjoy a pest-free environment without any unpleasant odors or added dyes. It's a clean and discreet way to manage flying insects in your home. Changing the cartridge is simple and hygienic. The strong adhesive backing means you never have to touch the trapped insects. Just pop out the old cartridge and dispose of it. Keep your kitchens, bathrooms, and living spaces protected day and night. These refills provide continuous indoor fly control, safe for use around children and pets when directed. This pack includes 4 official refill cartridges. Stock up to ensure you always have a replacement on hand for ongoing flying insect control in your home. What we like? These are official refill cartridges designed specifically for Zevo devices, ensuring optimal performance with Trap Plus lock technology. They offer mess-free disposal, keeping trapped insects hidden. If you already own a Zevo trap and need replacements, these are the perfect fit for continuous, odor-free fly control. What people say. This is a great product that works really well to keep flies away. I love how easy this product is to use and set up. The design of this product is very sleek and modern, and it looks great in my home. Number 3. GOOTOP Outdoor Bug Zapper. Tired of annoying flying insects? This powerful device effectively eliminates mosquitoes, flies, gnats, and more, providing relief both indoors and outdoors. It uses an EPA-registered design with a light to attract insects, then zaps them with a high-voltage grid. Enjoy a safe, chemical-free solution without worrying about pesticides. This lightweight unit is incredibly easy to use. Simply plug it in, and it starts working immediately, making it convenient to hang anywhere you need protection. Cleaning is a breeze with the included brush to clear the collection tray. Plus, the 15W bulb is replaceable, ensuring long-lasting effectiveness. Protect a large area, up to half an acre, with this versatile zapper. It's perfect for your home, patio, garden, camping trips, and more. What we like? This outdoor bug zapper uses a high-voltage electric grid to effectively eliminate a wide range of flying insects over a large area. It's EPA-registered and works best at night in dark conditions. If you need powerful, physical pest control for your backyard, patio, garden, or even camping, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is the best way to keep flies away. It works great and is very effective. I love this product. It keeps the flies away and is very easy to use. This product is amazing. It keeps the flies away and is very durable. Number 2. PIMAG Fly Repellent Fan 4-Pack Black. Tired of flies ruining your meals and gatherings? Our innovative fan uses a physical method to keep them away, ensuring you can enjoy your food in peace. No more disturbances, just clean and fresh dining. The fan features holographic blades that reflect light, deterring flies. Designed with safety in mind, the soft blades stop on contact and resume, making them safe for everyone, including children. This fan is incredibly lightweight and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere. Its quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment, so you can relax without any distracting noise. Equipped with a hook, it can be hung upside down from the ceiling or placed on any flat surface. One fan is perfect for a small table, and our 4-pack ensures larger areas are covered. Powered by batteries, these fans are flexible and convenient for all your dining needs. They are ideal for indoor meals, outdoor parties, BBQs, and picnics, letting you enjoy your time with guests. What we like? This fly repellent fan uses physical methods with holographic reflective blades to deter flies, offering a safe and silent solution. It's lightweight, portable, and can be hung or placed on a table. If you enjoy outdoor gatherings like picnics, parties, or BBQs and want to keep your food area fly-free without any chemicals, these fans are ideal. What people say? This is the best way to keep flies away. It works great. I love this product. It keeps the flies away from my house. This product is amazing. It keeps all the flies away. Number 1. Stem Flying Insect Fan Trap Starter Kit. Introducing the Stem Flying Insect Fan Trap, your ultimate solution for indoor bug control. It effectively attracts and traps common household pests. Our innovative design combines a powerful fan with a discreet blue UV light. This dual attraction technology works together to lure in and capture mosquitoes, fruit flies, and house flies. Enjoy a peaceful environment with this powerful yet quiet bug catcher. It's perfect for any room in your home where insects are a nuisance. Easily control your pest management with the intuitive touch display. Select your preferred fan speed and set a timer for 3, 8, or 12 hours, or choose continuous 24/7 operation. This indoor pest control solution comes with 5 mess-free glue traps and a 6-foot cord for convenient placement. Set it up easily in your home or enclosed patio. Insects are drawn to the UV light and then captured by the quiet fan on a sticky glue trap. Simply replace the glue card when it's full for continued effectiveness. Rest assured, this fly trap is odorless and crafted without chemical insecticides. It's a family and pet-friendly option when used as directed. What we like? This indoor bug trap combines a quiet fan with UV light for dual attraction, effectively trapping various flying insects. It features customizable settings for fan speed and timers, offering flexible operation. If you're looking for an odorless, chemical-free, and portable solution for indoor pest control with adjustable settings, this device is a smart choice. What people say? This product is a game changer for outdoor gatherings, effectively keeping flies away from food and people. The design is discreet and blends well with outdoor decor, making it a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution. Its long-lasting effectiveness means fewer applications are needed, providing continuous protection throughout the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.